redneck.
Well, we had the strap, had a tree come along, but no jack. Go. Yeah, careful with that cable, it's pretty rough. And don't bring that tree down on us.
I think she might work.
That's wiggling on the tree.
It's really gonna work or it's really gonna not.
I think we should have brought it into this ditch, like entirely.
Oh, it's about
Well, it's gonna be there. A little bit more and it'll be there.
Dude, I think it's airborne.
Yeah, just about.
Yeah, it's definitely off the ground.
Yeah. Cool. Well, get about two more. Let's get it up in the air a little bit more so we can get the spare underneath it. Just
I think that's probably good. I just worry that we'll
yeah,
start
don't shake
pulling
it anymore. All right, let's try that. Dal. Oh, you need to put your parking brake on. Yeah, chock that back tire real good and tight. Yeah, you got it up in the air.
Yeah.
Hopefully that tree don't come down.
Always holding good.
You yell at me if it starts to.
You'll hear it.
Just so I know that I can watch my impending doom come to me.
Oops, sorry, I'll move this branch.
Oh, good. All right. I'm just...
Hey, you're gonna pop it doing that. That one doesn't look any better. Holy crap.
Dude, that's the one that I took into someone's yard when I slipped off the road.
All right, well, that's all we got right now, huh?
Yeah. She'll get us home.
Real slow
Oh, yeah.
and easy. I think it was because Jake was sitting on the back there.
Oh yeah, sorry guys. It's those rodeo kings.
All right, you need any help there, Dal?
Nope. Just a stick I stepped on, don't worry. That's awesome.
You get it? You got enough clearance?
Yeah, no, she's going there.
All right, get some bolts in there. Wait, did you get them all on?
Yeah, they're all on.
All right. What's that?
A little air pump. Might do a
Yeah?
little bit.
Yeah?
Well, hey,
You got jumper cables?
got jumper cables, of course.
And the tree's holding.
Hey, Jake, you want to come over here and stick this on? You don't want that to...
Unchock. Nice and easy, Dell. Alright, you're good. That's how you fix a flat with no jack.
Yeah. Alright.
Dude, stop moving for a second.
Climbing up the rope. What?
I don't hear any air hissing out.
Alright.
You all doubted my tire.
Yeah, still do.
Yeah, no, I do.
Why don't you go ahead and turn around? Jake will get his... Careful.
Climbing up the rope. What?
We're not done yet.
Inconceivable. I wouldn't have been afraid to slow down now.
As long as it doesn't hurt the truck.